want to dessert planet. 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Pour the gelatin into the water and put it on the steam of the kettle to dissolve completely. 1/3 cup of boiled water. 1 tablespoon of coffee. Mix coffee or cocoa with boiling water and set aside. Encourages us with subscribe and turning on notifications. 4 eggs. 3/4 cup of icing sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir the mixture about 5 minutes. Pour dissolved gelatin into the mixture. Pour boiled water and coffee into the mixture. Stir until mixed. One cup of cream. Pour the dessert into the mold and refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours until ready. Thanks for watching.